Hello everyone, this is my part 2 of our last from my last video rather, regarding the irrigation that I'm using here in our orchard. This is my dog. Hello to everyone. Okay, so let's go to the main source of our irrigation, which is our reservoir. By the way, this reservoir is connected to our barangay water supply. And ito pala guys, I have created this faucet para pag nag-drench kami, it will be closer to the trees. Hindi masyado dreadful ang magkarga ng pail going from that place to this area. Okay, let's go straight to the irrigation. Yes, again, I have opened this one. Okay. This is the drainage of this tank. So yung lahat ng mga debris, if meron, I won't be having problems with that anymore because it will fall down here. This irrigation system flowing to the line of trees. Example here, I have one here. I just had it open because this is a bigger tree, so can sufficiently supply water to this tree alone. This is a puya tree. Okay, and then going straight here, this is what I'm talking about, a dripper. Unti-unti lang yan guys, pero pag inabot ng isang oras, marami-rami na rin yan. Later, we'll talk about these canals that I've created. Okay, the significance of those canals that we have here in the farm. See that? And that. That will be the next video rather. Okay, so we're going directly to the end line of this irrigation, meaning yung pinaka lowest part ng area. Again, I would like to remind everyone who's watching and listening, this is a full gravity type of irrigation system. So walang kuryente gamit dito, walang pump, so meaning hindi masyado expensive ang setup. Tingnan mo yung musangking natin. Thank you pala kay Louis Di Sena, siya ang nag-supply sa akin ng mga musangking na to. Pretty. I'll tag Louis Di Sena daw in this video so that you will know him too. He's a good man, a friend of mine. This one too. Anyway, ito palang mga trees dito. Most of our trees here are grafted with two rootstocks. Two rootstock graft. Naka-arc yan. Itong area na to guys, within this square, meron kasing border yung kanal, yung nakita nyo kanina, mga musangking yan lahat. Ito rin However, meron kaming in-insert kasi we have tried the 101, which is this one. As you can see guys, dalawang puno yan. Because I'm planning to have it arched again so that it would stand with 2 rootstock. See that guys? Yung irrigation. It helps a lot. Sus, pag kayo na-try nyo carry a pail of water, puno, and then cover this area, sasakit din ang katawan nyo. You will feel it. Hindi ganun simple ang mag-farming pala guys. Now, I have experienced it on my own. On hand talaga. Musangking guys. From Louie. Okay. For more updates, we'll talk about on the next video tungkol dito sa kanal or drainage system, kung ano ang significance nito. Okay, why do you have to have a lot of this in the area, knowing na durian lang, or most of the trees planted here are durian, although may mga lansones na. Yung mga lansones na yan, may gamit din yan sa farm na to. So, isa-isahin natin guys, so that we will learn more. Thank you so much again everyone for listening and watching this movie. God bless us all.